In the digital age, the concept of ownership has undergone a profound transformation. With the rise of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, a groundbreaking innovation has emerged, challenging traditional notions of possession and offering a glimpse into the future of digital ownership. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, represent a seismic shift in the way we define ownership in the digital realm, and their influence is extending far beyond the world of blockchain. The very essence of NFTs lies in their non-fungibility. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable and represent equal value, NFTs are indivisible and unique. Each NFT carries with it a distinct digital identity that can be linked to a specific piece of content, whether it's a digital artwork, a music album, a tweet, or even a virtual plot of land in a metaverse. The power of NFTs lies in their ability to prove ownership and authenticity in the digital realm, a realm that has long struggled with issues of piracy and unauthorized duplication. NFTs operate on blockchain technology, a decentralized and immutable digital ledger that underpins cryptocurrencies. This technology enables the creation of digital certificates of ownership, establishing a clear and verifiable link between the owner and the digital asset. The blockchain records the entire ownership history of an NFT, providing transparency and security. But what makes NFTs truly remarkable is their capacity to revolutionize various industries. Let's start with the world of art. NFTs have opened up a new frontier for artists, enabling them to create, sell, and protect their digital artworks in unprecedented ways. Digital artists can now tokenize their creations, essentially converting them into NFTs that can be bought and sold on NFT marketplaces. This has given rise to a burgeoning digital art movement, where artists find a direct path to their audience and receive a fair share of the sales, often through smart contracts that automate royalty payments. NFTs have brought newfound possibilities to the entertainment industry. Musicians, for example, can release NFT albums, allowing fans to purchase unique digital copies, complete with exclusive content or experiences. These NFT albums not only provide a direct connection between artists and fans but also promise a new revenue stream in an industry where streaming services have often left artists with meager compensation. Gaming is another arena where NFTs have made a profound impact. In many video games and virtual worlds, NFTs are used to represent in-game assets, characters, and even virtual real estate. Gamers can buy, sell, and trade these digital items, and ownership is secured through NFTs. This creates a sense of true ownership within virtual realms, allowing players to invest in their gaming experiences like never before. NFTs have also taken the world of collectibles by storm. Whether it's virtual trading cards, unique digital collectibles, or even virtual sneakers, NFTs have provided collectors with a new and exciting way to acquire, trade, and showcase their digital treasures. These digital collectibles are not confined to a physical space, and ownership can be displayed in online galleries or within virtual worlds. The implications of NFTs stretch beyond the digital realm. In the real estate industry, NFTs are being explored as a means of digitizing property ownership. Metaverse projects, immersive digital spaces where users can socialize, work, and play, are using NFTs to represent virtual land and assets. The possibilities of NFTs in real estate are not only intriguing but could revolutionize the way we perceive property ownership. The power of NFTs extends to the world of content creators and influencers. They can tokenize their content, offering unique experiences or products to their followers. From exclusive videos and digital merchandise to personalized interactions, NFTs enable creators to monetize their content in innovative ways. This shift in revenue streams empowers content creators and allows them to retain more control over their work. NFTs are often associated with the concept of owning the original. When you purchase an NFT of a digital artwork, for instance, you are not merely getting a copy. You are owning the original digital file or a token that represents it. This sense of authenticity and ownership has been a driving force behind the NFT craze. Scarcity and uniqueness are at the heart of NFTs' value. In a world where digital replication is effortless, NFTs introduce a level of scarcity that mirrors physical assets' uniqueness. The blockchain verifies and guarantees the rarity of these digital items, making them highly desirable to collectors and enthusiasts. The transparency and traceability of blockchain technology also provide protection against fraud and piracy. When you own an NFT, you can be confident that it is genuine and has a clear ownership history. This is a significant departure from the murky waters of digital piracy, where unauthorized copies run rampant. Smart contracts play a pivotal role in NFT transactions. These self-executing contracts automatically enforce the terms and conditions of a sale. For example, when an artist sells an NFT, they can include a smart contract that entitles them to a percentage of the resale price. This ensures that artists continue to benefit from their work's increasing value. The secondary market for NFTs is a dynamic and fascinating space. Once you own an NFT, you can sell it on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. The secondary market has seen a flurry of high-value NFT sales, with some pieces fetching millions of dollars. This resale market has created opportunities for collectors and investors alike. The world of NFTs has not been without controversy. Some artists and environmentalists have raised concerns about the energy consumption of blockchain networks used for NFT transactions, such as Ethereum. The energy-intensive process of minting and trading NFTs has prompted discussions about the ecological impact. Additionally, the NFT space has faced issues of copyright and plagiarism. Cases of artists discovering their work tokenized as NFTs without their consent have ignited debates about intellectual property rights and the need for stronger protections. However, the NFT space is evolving, and these concerns have spurred discussions about sustainability and ethical practices. Some blockchain networks are exploring greener alternatives, and platforms are implementing solutions to address copyright issues. The gaming industry is one of the sectors where NFTs are thriving. In many online games, players can buy and trade NFT assets, such as skins, weapons, and characters. These NFTs not only enhance the gaming experience but also introduce the concept of true ownership within virtual worlds. Virtual real estate within Metaverse projects has become a hot commodity. In these digital realms, users can purchase virtual land and assets using NFTs. This has given rise to a new frontier in real estate, one that defies physical boundaries and offers a novel form of ownership. The art world has witnessed a revolution with the introduction of NFTs. Digital artists can tokenize their creations, making them rare and collectible. This has disrupted the traditional art market, offering artists a direct path to their audience and a fair share of sales through smart contracts. NFTs have even entered the world of music. Musicians can release NFT albums, complete with exclusive content or experiences, allowing fans to own unique digital copies. This innovation not only strengthens the artist-fan relationship but also provides a new revenue stream in the music industry. The appeal of NFTs is not limited to collectors and enthusiasts. Content creators and influencers have embraced NFTs as a way to monetize their work. From personalized interactions to exclusive content, NFTs enable creators to connect with their followers in innovative ways and diversify their income streams. The allure of NFTs lies in their authenticity and ownership of the original digital asset. When you own an NFT, you have a direct link to the original content, whether it's a piece of art, a tweet, or a virtual item. This notion of authenticity has fueled the NFT frenzy. The NFT space is marked by rarity and scarcity. In a digital world where replication is effortless, NFTs introduce a level of uniqueness that mirrors physical collectibles. The blockchain guarantees the rarity of these digital items, making them highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts. The transparency and immutability of blockchain technology protect against fraud and piracy. NFT owners can be confident that their assets are genuine and have a clear ownership history. This represents a significant departure from the shadowy world of digital piracy and unauthorized duplication. Smart contracts are integral to NFT transactions. These self-executing contracts enforce the terms and conditions of a sale, automating processes and ensuring that creators continue to benefit from their work's increasing value. The secondary market for NFTs is a dynamic and intriguing space. After owning an NFT, you can sell it on marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. The secondary market has witnessed high-value NFT sales, with some pieces fetching millions of dollars. This ecosystem provides opportunities for collectors and investors. The NFT space has not been devoid of controversy. Concerns have been raised about the environmental impact of blockchain networks, such as Ethereum, used for NFT transactions. The energy-intensive process of minting and trading NFTs has prompted discussions about sustainability and the ecological footprint. Copyright and plagiarism issues have also emerged in the NFT space. Cases of artists finding their work tokenized as NFTs without their consent have triggered debates about intellectual property rights and the necessity for stronger protections. Nevertheless, the NFT landscape is evolving. Concerns have spurred discussions about sustainability and ethical practices. Some blockchain networks are exploring eco-friendly alternatives, and platforms are implementing solutions to address copyright issues. NFTs are a hot topic, but their future is still unfolding. They represent a transformation in the way we perceive ownership in the digital world. Whether it's art, music, gaming, collectibles, or real estate, NFTs have the potential to redefine how we interact with digital assets. The potential applications of NFTs are vast. They can be used for proof of authenticity in luxury goods, property deeds, and digital identity. The notion of owning a unique, verifiable digital asset has opened doors to innovation in various sectors. As NFTs continue to gain prominence, regulatory bodies are exploring ways to oversee the market. Issues of taxation, copyright, and fraud detection are being addressed to provide a secure environment for NFT transactions. This regulatory landscape is still taking shape. The future of NFTs is intertwined with the development of blockchain technology. As blockchain networks become more energy efficient and scalable, the NFT space will likely see significant growth. Innovations in blockchain will further enhance the capabilities of NFTs. Virtual reality and metaverse projects are poised to drive the adoption of NFTs. As these digital worlds expand, NFTs will become integral to the ownership of virtual assets and property. The metaverse promises a future where digital ownership is as real as physical ownership. NFTs represent a paradigm shift in how we perceive ownership in the digital realm. Their ability to prove authenticity, uniqueness, and ownership is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for creators and enthusiasts alike. As we navigate the evolving landscape of NFTs, we witness a future where digital ownership knows no bounds and creativity finds new avenues to thrive. NFTs have ushered in a digital renaissance, and their influence is just beginning to take hold.